NC State University's bell tower was vandalized, and the Clemson Tiger mascot was kidnapped and tied up at the scene. A hair sample was found at the scene, and I'll be using the Raleigh Police Department's DNA system to figure out who this hair belongs to. A VNTR analysis is specific to gene locus in the individual having two alleles for each gene. Both alleles must match the two alleles present in the evidence sample to signify a possible match. This is the information at evidence locus number 1. First, you'll see the victim, the tiger, doesn't share any alleles in common with the sample of DNA evidence at this loci. This means that the hair doesn't belong to the victim. Next, you'll have suspect 1, Mr. Wolf. Mr. Wolf shares the same two alleles as the evidence, so Mr. Wolf cannot be excluded from our data at this time. Next, we have suspect 2, the Blue Devil. He is not a match for the hair found at the crime scene. The alleles present are not the same, and he can be excluded from our analysis. Next, we have suspect 3, Mr. Tuffy. He can't be linked to the DNA to the crime scene because he doesn't have the same allele as evidence at this locus. Suspect 4, Mr. Ramsey, shares the same alleles as the evidence and Mr. Wolf, so Mr. Ramsey cannot be excluded at this time. And our last suspect, number 5, Demon Deacon. He can't be linked to the crime scene because he doesn't have any of the same alleles as the evidence at this locus. A DNA match at one gene loci is not enough information to conclude that anyone committed the crime, so we will now look at another loci. The victim, the tiger, does share an allele in common with the sample of DNA evidence, but since the other loci does not share the same as the DNA, we can exclude him. Next, we have suspects 1, 2, and 5. They all do not share any alleles with the evidence DNA, so we can exclude all 3 of those suspects. Suspect 3, however, does share an allele in common with the evidence, but that still makes it inconclusive and we can exclude him. Suspect 4 is the only suspect that shares both alleles with the evidence loci 2. Both of Ramesi's alleles at the first and second loci are the same as the evidence collected. That concludes that Rameses was in fact at the crime scene.